proper coffee. Right, I've just been given a load of these. I mean, like a massive bag full. I've got a new cooking pot as well, which is a coffee press. I want to give this a go today. So just got a little simple setup hanging off the tree there. Says here, lightweight and waterproof, environmentally friendly fuel, easy to light, and fast boil time. I'm just going to try one of these. Apparently you can even use this to wash your hands in, like a soap. Hey! Right. Give this a whirl. Get some water. Beautiful spot by the river. It's lovely just to get out for a bit of time out. So this is called the Bestargot coffee titanium pot, which I got for my birthday last week from my lovely wife. This is the first try of it, and inside there's a coffee press so you can use real coffee. I had a couple of other new things as well I thought I'd do a review of. So this is the Pelliot closed cell sleep mat, which unfolds all the way out. Now I had a nice sleep on this the other night, but I had a few beers at the time, so it seemed comfy. The other thing I got is this rucksack. Now this was an eBay purchase, and to be honest it's not up to standard at all. The straps don't stay tight. It's not much more the use than like a day bag. I wouldn't carry much in that at all. But the sleep mat, however, is really nice. You haven't got the hassle of punches. Nice and light, and it feels comfy. What is it? The solid fuel has just gone out, so I say that's about 10-minute burn time. So I'm going to check now, see if that water is boiled. I might stick one more tablet under there to make sure. And normally fairly warm would be alright, but I've pulled it out straight out of this river, which is probably not that clean. So easy to light though. Right, there we go, it's just come to the boil. Perfect. Ow. Well, that's hot. Right, I can see a problem, I can't get it off now. And this is hot as well. Okay. There we go. Right. So, don't do it with the lid on. That's what I've learnt so far. Nothing like a proper coffee, mind. Oh, that's a cup and a half in there, so something extra. Leave that brew for 5. The idea now is it keeps the coffee underneath. Takes all the gritty bits out for you. Pushes them right to the bottom. Let's see if it works now. You could use this as a cup as well. But ever since I burnt my lips on an old enamel cup, I'm a bit fearful of these metal cups. Oh, lovely. Could be a bit stronger, mind. But that has properly done the trick. I can't see any bits in that at all. There we go. Hope you enjoyed that little quick gear review. Some proper camping again next week. And I got a little plan. Camping in the ice with no sleeping bag. Come back next week for that one.